Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice for Purpose by NSS IT Bombay.
So guys, today we are going to talk about, are all polybags bad? Plastic bags, which have become a basic need of humankind in the present time, are also the biggest threat to the environment. You know, plastic bags are used for an average of 12 minutes. It takes 500 years for a plastic bag to degrade in a landfill. 1 million marine animals are killed by plastic bags annually. 1,000 cows die annually just in the northern city of Lucknow from eating plastic. To produce 9 plastic bags, it takes the equivalent energy to drive a car 1 kilometer. And plastic bags are affecting the health of humans too hazardously. But is there a solution for this? Definitely. If we recycle plastic bags, we can save our environment to a great extent. Now a question comes. Are all plastic bags recyclable easily? The answer is no. Some plastic bags can be recycled easily, while some cannot be. Today we will see which plastic bags should be used to keep our surroundings clean and healthy. Firstly, we need to understand that thickness of polythene is the measure of its quality. More the thickness of polythene, more easily it can be recycled. In 1999, government declared minimum thickness of polythene to be used was 20 microns, which was increased to 40 microns in 2011. And finally, in 2016, it was changed to 50 microns. So, with time, government is taking actions to control the pollution by framing laws to use such type of polythene which can be recycled easily. But for them to be implemented properly, we need to know the factors other than the thickness that can be used to identify good quality polybag for us. Basically, we need to understand that worst quality polybags are use and throw bags. These are generally transparent and thin. These bags are more in number and pollute our environment most. These cannot be recycled easily. You can find them as a packing of vegetables and fruits by any street vendor because they are cheap but can be used only once or at max twice. So they are not good. Now comes second type of polybags, which are not transparent and are firm. They are generally of considerable size. These are available at clothing stores, supermarkets, malls, etc. These polybags are used for 15 to 20 days and can be recycled easily. We can use them and try to use them for a long time. Like while going to buy vegetables, you can bring it with you from home and use to carry the vegetables. When these get damaged, just remember to put them in recycle bin. Finally, third type. These are smooth, pretty thick and soft. These are not easily available in the market, but they are very environmental friendly. They can be recycled easily to a great extent. We can use them for a long time without any wear and tear. If you get any polybag of this kind, you must use it until it gets damaged completely. A fair question comes to everyone's mind. Why should we care about recyclability of polybags? We must ban them completely and only use cloth bags. So guys, firstly, it is not possible practically to ban plastic bags entirely, and they are used in carrying liquids which cannot be done using cloth bags. Also, cloth bags require cotton, which itself is made by so many efforts. You know, a typical cotton t-shirt needs 2700 liters of water to be manufactured. In its manufacturing and transportation, a lot of pollution takes place. The same case is with a cloth bag. Cotton as a crop requires the maximum amount of insecticides and pesticides. And lastly, we are not saying to use polybags instead of cloth bags. We are just asking you to use polybags available in the market and at your home thoroughly. And remember to recycle them. As a conclusion, we learned that not all polybags are so harmful to the environment. Government is taking measures to keep our environment pollution free. We must help them to implement by knowing what is good for our environment and what is harmful. We should use good quality polybags and not throw polybags here and there. Instead, use them fully. We should not buy extra cloth bags until we have unused polybags in our home. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your surroundings clean and healthy. Thank you.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.